Big man for National Assembly, Kavayege Jibril, and big man for inside Senate, where they call it to say Oganyat Marcel Jifenjim. All them, they don't talk say thing way they happen for Norways and Southways. E no fine at all. They don't frown their face. Knock hand for table say make it take stop. This one it dey happen where people them for SDF honor them and Senate for SDF. They deny say they no go enter for inside Parliament as way e open for yesterday for Yawende. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go take una to go for Kumba 3 municipality for we for be precise this afternoon. For tell una say live for that side. It happen even as way the Okada people them they vex say this palaver where they control them say make them no work sote for night. It then a thing way it worry them. According to the Okada peoples, they try for talk for we say no be na for Kumba where they kill gendarme. So they no sabi why we governor he go talk say make Okada peoples they know the work their normal working time sote time where they lie for go sleep for house. So for Tori for this afternoon we go talk say palava for Norwest and Southwest. It don't hurt sote even pastor them for Apostolic Church for Bamenda side they all them with their prayer people them they don't sit down for prayer say make peace it turn back for inside country. All this story them so plus even one day when newspaper they take talk to them. Now anyway we go take style so we talk on this afternoon for Equinox Story House country people them. Big part talk for this afternoon. It talks say no matter how way crocodile eat the sharp, e no fit ever chop stone. No matter how way crocodile eat the sharp, e no fit ever chop stone. Na notable tender NDTFM for that side for Bonaberi is same with big part talk for this afternoon. Me I dey turn back some more time. Good afternoon for outside again country people them. After plenty rain wey fall for Douala for this early morning time, we just feel sabi say rain. It is still drop one, but it don't go down small. As sabi say oh man, it don't turn back to for workplace after the small rain. Tori for this afternoon we go start now as when National Assembly it takes start for that side for Yawende yesterday. Make we take una go for National Assembly country people them. Palava for Norwest and Southwest. Solution it go be that one na the BB question. For Sika say yesterday when National Assembly take start, Kavayege Jibril wey he dey na the big man, he no talk anything for Palava solution. He instead knock hand for table say thing wey dey happen he no pass fine. Na chair them that when na honor them for Norwest and maybe Southwest SDF they begin for shit down for them, but they no come according to some of the honor the way they be day for inside start for National Assembly yesterday. Them they try for talk say another honor it be die now why that way most of the other honor them they no come. Other people they try for talk say now for Sika say they don't hold them for back now why that way they don't deny say they know they come. But sabi say National Assembly big man Kavayege Jibril he don't knock hand for table. He say this thing way they happen for Norwest and Southwest make it stop. But Palava for say make they sit down for one table for talk for peace. If they go talk now the BB question that sabi say Parliament way open they get for look inside Palava money wey country e go use am for 2018 na where they call am say budget. As when National Assembly e open yesterday, na so to Senate people then too they open their door then yesterday. Big man for senator them where they call it say Nyat Marcel Jifenjim. Na he say be the Prime Minister say he be there for inside Senate them so empty chair them as soon as they take CM. Now the same thing he welcome senator them too as when they start. So just for sabi say most of the senator them people there they enter for Senate yesterday. Now so the one they will sabi bed. The other one they know they Nyad Marcel Jifenji he says in knock hand for table say this thing where they happen for Norwest and Southwest make it just stop. But he no talk whether for true they go see whether they go talk with the president when I be Oga Patapata for say make peace a last turn back for country. And that one now for she done for on top one table for talk with people them true talk as well they call them. But sabi say for the inside the Senate empty chair then to the be them just as way it be day too for inside National Assembly as well they start November she done for that side so for Yawende. sabi say all that chair dem wey dey be dey open, so all that chair dem wey dey be dey empty na people dem for SDF. And who side they be dey na for their own headquarter for Yawunde side dem. Na for the way after wey they left National Assembly, left even Senate, they be go sit down to for them for try for see where they go knack their own dongamen. Inside all the national honor them for SDF. Joseph Wiba, e no be there. Even Joseph Badam, e no be there inside the honor the way they be even travel come for Yawunde. But sabi say this honor then they don't talk say the reason for Sikawa where they come out where they no enter for Senate or even for National Assembly. Now for Sika say waiting. They say na the number 4 time this way Parliament, just like Senate people they dishidon where Anglophone crisis or palava it don't start. But since they never talk no nothing for inside this palava. Now for Sika why that way they say they don't decide say they come out. They say they come out now for say they want open popo eye. They want to say me popo is shiny eye for sabi say for true trouble a day for inside country. So now for Sika why that way honor them and senate them for SDF. Then say they should done for their own end for their own National Assembly. After that one, they be sent some long book for popo. Since we then for inside palava for politics, just for telling her to say some other padimari that they call it say Wungli Masaga. Yes, now he named that. Papa where he just joined Cameroon Renaissance movement where he never even nag 4 months. Papa he don't go in for by force pension. Waiting it happen where Wunli Masaga he come out for CRM. Yes, now the Cameroon Renaissance movement. According to he said the party, the Lukoti, if you want go waka party, no be get money. He say Maurice come to society party, na party for only people that they come up for a village. Say that one na party for inside ground. Sabi say Wunli Masaga he come on for UPC and he be one strong member for UPC before he can join Maurice come to a party and they begin some special position. But they don't talk say this party no be na party say way a correct step for go for election for security na party for country people them. No be na party for all kind of people them. So he don't go in by force pension quiet. He don't go she done him for his own end. Sabi say this palava for Northwest and Southwest in the hot. But how Kumba Day? We be there for Kumba 3 council area. Make we see as well live for Kumba 3 council area it happen. Welcome to Kumba. Yes, now Kumba 3 that for 3 corner side they country people them. Live it happen in the proper Okada peoples. As well the day we will land for them. All man it be there it do his own small business. One dem wey they sell for road, they be make their business in the proper. Now corn you want chop if you get am, na cigar you want smoke am, all that small people them, call boss people them, even people there they wait mimbo, they be there and motor the way they want park for go for a tam, tombe, all man, e dey now for tell you say even as we palava a day for that side so for Kumba 3, one section for Kumba, sabi say Kumba na 1, 2 and 3, all thing it dey happen, place it be dey busy. But sabi say this Okada people them they vex plenty. I say wetin they vex plenty for Sika this law wey governor for Southwest Bernard Okada Bilai he put and say make them no work for night so take for daytime. They say for them e no correct according to Okada people them e no correct. So na just live that for Kumba even as we place in the hot Kumba 3. When na different sections sabi say Kumba 3 na SDF in the control am. Life it dey normal now. So make we hear wetin wey Okada people they get for talk palava this law way governors for Southwest Bernard Okada Bilai e be sauna. Make we hear.
Me like Okada man for Kumba in particular our work we would the work most of our work would even work now for night. Because if you see them for morning to 4 o'clock, offices they close. Where most people they work for the office, where it make and we the mostly get work now when the offices they don't close. Where from there when people they go their houses, would be able now to say work catch up with balance, and most of we would work now under people. E.g. my patron I give 3,000 per day. So from that 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, I say I know if you cash up for give balance.
Really, the government don't talk say from 6 to 7 p.m. Say okay, I don't get for work. Me I say I'm saying not correct because it will affect many people, their own lives. Yes, because some person will come up from Douala, it get for enter Kumba maybe around 8, 9, 10 or 12 in the night. Then when it go reach for agency, it will need Okada for carry and material for a house. It will reach Okada no day. So you see, it will affect life for people in plenty, not only Okada people themselves. They don't care about Manfa and Bamenda. So many make that Manfa and Bamenda. Kumba is a peaceful place. We don't have any problem. How will you see we Okada people them we never answer, we know there for violence. We never answer and we look for on daily.
Yes, na Okada mandate for Kumba or people them for Kumba side they talk palava law. We governor he take and say make them know the work for night. But waiting this Okada man, way strong talk this Okada man, he get and forgive and from Gomna. Make we hear ye.
Don't kill Jandam now for Manfe, not before Kumba. Kumba since when they even talk about strike, the strike don't go on so they can end. We don't even know they and last and no one person no die like Jandam for Kumba. Now instead na civilian don't instead die for Kumba. And nothing still happen. And first of all, when we ask a question, if they say Jandam die, I want to say the Jandam then die. Now for nothing. Now Okada people then kill them. The one where they say they die for Manfa, I want to ask now Okada people then kill them because they want to put the thing now for the whole Okada people them. So I don't know why now Okada people kill them. Because I don't try to say anything where it won't happen. Government only focus eye on Okada. Focus eye on Okada. Mr. I don't see pay the cash and the people for Kusalaye then 4 for Kusalaye. Be them, not even say be 4 for Kusalaye. When I am people them. If you be now Okada people, and that question I will ask, are you been Okada people? Don't catch 4 bees them for Kusalaye. If army 4 armies them for Kusalaye. They got discord, they got have a military court again and my neighbor. But the TV, they can't carry all the things of a house.
Yes, Okada man, he don't vex and he worry them for that side as well. They so they don't put loss and make them no welcome. From 7 so till the next morning time for 5 o'clock. So for Palava for Norwest and Southwest, for that side for Bamenda, with the USA Apostolic Pastor them, they be meet up. Now for make big prayer for that side, so for Bamenda, with all their Christian them. Now for talks everything, say make peace, a turn back for country. According to these people them, now for seekers say they never put God for inside this Palava. Now why that way all these Palava them, it happen for Norwest and Southwest. It be then a serious prayer as we apostolic people them, they stand up for prayer, say make peace, it'll turn back for inside Cameroon. We go take un announce enter for chapter for Ndamba country people them. For that side for Gadwa, it be then a different thing for Gadwa side him. After we a man, big man for Cotton Sport, he talk say they go for by force pension. Find them for Cotton Sport, they talk say no way, say make that man he take come back. Make we get the sound small again. Yes, and Cotton Sport people then that way they vex say they are big man, the big man for the club. He don't go by force pension. They beg you for come, and with the just here to reserve for that side for Yaoundé say some house girl. He don't thief some 3-month-old picking, and we hear say this picking, this thing happen now for Yaoundé side him for Eligejwa. Say house girl where they call him say waiting a house girl in name Fortune. He don't thief 3-month picking where they just born him for that side so for Yaoundé. So that one not to way just enter for we hear just now. So people there they waka, you see any strange woman just hold go with them for any police place. For say the picking na thief picking. Make we enter now so for Toriwe Ideso newspaper I talk for today. First newspaper will enter the Guardian Post. It tell we for up for they say some police big man Ideso where they don't choke you with a knife so they die for Yaoundé. If you want Sabisa waiting happen, Guardian Post you don't talk all the Tory. Palava for Norwest and Southwest, SDF honor them and senator them. They deny for enter for Parliament and Senate for number 1 day where it take open. Why? You enter for inside the Guardian Post, you go take Sabina. So today they try for tell we say angry people them for some village for that side for Njinicom, they make father, he no make prayer way, he be get for make am. The one it happen to they tell you say Buhari, he don't make a waka for go for sideway. People the way they want separate country where they call and say secession is the name. But Paul Biya Sote now, he never even makes time for visit Northwest and Southwest. They try for compare Buhari and Popo for inside this palaver for people them where they want separate country. Another story to enter for inside Nouvelle Expression. Nouvelle Expression for today. He talk now waiting be the strong number for them. He talk say SDF people them for parliament. Then CSF they deny for enter for inside parliament as way they be start number 1 day for inside this palaver. So for Nouvelle Expression, they tell we say Wungli Masagam, it don't go again by force pension. Waiting it take pass. When you enter for Nouvelle Expression, you go sabi all this story them in the proper for you where you never yet buy your story. Another story to enter for inside for this afternoon. They call and say waiting mutation for this afternoon or 1 way come out today. Strong number for them and say waiting. Who he get right for control exam for enter for ENAM. Now the big question that Minister for Palava Public Service is say nae. Big man for ENAM is say nae. They wait in law he talk. Now the big thing that way mutation he take carry am as way Minister for Public Service and big man for ENAM they fight who get for control people them where they get for shidon for exam for enter for ENAM. Sabi say ENAM na school where all big people them they come up for day. We come up for mutation, one of the strong number the for mutation. We enter for another newspaper, Cameroon Tribune. Cameroon Tribune for this morning time, or 1 way come up for this Wednesday. He try for tell we say waiting. He say waiting, say parliament, whether na senator demo or na big man for parliament, all them they knock hand for table, say they no like thing way it take pass for that side, so for Northwest and Southwest country people them. Now the strong number then that way these two people them cover GV for parliament and Nyad Masenji Fenji they take talk as way parliament session it happen where SDF they no enter for inside for Sika Vex for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Cameroon Tribune it gets other plenty to read them where they write them for inside. Last story for this afternoon where we enter for inside. Now Poku newspaper where they call and say waiting Popoli. Yes, Popoli for this today. A try for tell we say waiting. Say United Nation it don't hold Cameroon for a neck. Yes, United Nation don't hold Cameroon for a neck. Now for Sika waiting Palava for Northwest and Southwest. If you see that Poku where they draw for them, you go understand say na Ngomna Togma where he don't sit there so he open the eye, open him up them. Waiting it happen. Enter for Popoli. You go try for understand all thing where it take pass. Waiting where oh United Nation he don't do where he make Ngomna Togman he open him up, open the eye then so according to waiting where Poku newspaper take talk. You enter for them. You go sabi and all fine. So now the story then that for newspaper come be them they take right and for today. Country people them. Before we go we get Palava for loss. We get some picky way don't loss. And we go give now as we take count for we before. Now the boy picking that. This boy picking they call is waiting Bobga Wilfred. Yes. Bobga Wilfred, he gets 11 years according to Torio Otekiem, and this speaking it be the go school for that side where they call him say Karina Nursery and Primary School from Dogbong for Karifu Bifaga. They say this speaking be there for class 5 and he'll enter Sosongo, he don't enter Sosongo, he disappear. After we go for a big mommy a place for that side from Dogbong for Passy Boutique. The one it happened 3 days ago. So just now Mr. Basson Mary in the back. Any person where you don't see this a picking where they call him say waiting they call him same they call this picking now waiting Bobga Wilfred say make a try call this thing number them 675-581-812 or 693-054-856. They say this picking na correct bilingual picking. It means na picking way if country he get for get dash he go pass he talk French, English and Mungaka when na their country talk for that side so for Baliyonga and the mommy in name na Basson Mary yes na the name that Bosong Mary na the mommy in name that so the back any Marisiam make we just take them for English the announcement come for English more take as we come Mrs. Bosong Mary announces the disappearance of her grandson Bobga Wilfred 11 years old. The child was schooling at Karina Nursery and Primary School Dogbong Karifu Bifagam. He was in class 5. He got missing from the grandmother's home at Ndobong Pasi Boutique 3 days ago. He speaks French and English and Mungaka, the dialects of Abali Yunga people. Telephone number for anybody who has seen this child, that's number 675-581-812-693-054-865. Country people them, now for they will take finish story for this afternoon. Just for Sabise with day for year, now for Sikaso na day plenty for outside. And as we tori they come, now so we say with the try for Naktori. Takes time for salute all people them from Mountain of Mountain Ministries for Tico site. Sabiso na they prepare big day for on a big man. As we take happen, we go jump for morning time. On a whole am tight.